For decades, we have been hunters of information, frantically typing keywords into a digital void and sifting through endless lists of blue links. But the era of searching is ending. A new era of answering has begun, where the sum of human knowledge is a collaborator. Imagine a sleek, holographic AI assistant that doesn't just find raw data, but understands and visualizes complex, tailored responses in the blink of an eye. This is a practical revolution in our daily lives. A student's virtual desk is no longer a mess of half-read PDF files and messy tabs. AI now organizes study notes instantly, grasping the context of every chapter to help students learn faster and more effectively than ever before. In the comfort of the living room, a digital shopping companion curates products based on your specific style, needs, and lifestyle preferences. Planning a trip is now effortless. A traveler's map populates with a complete holiday itinerary in real time, mapping every hotel and hidden gem. In the professional world, the impact is profound. Medical professionals review 3D diagnostic scans with AI overlays that highlight critical anomalies instantly. It serves as a second pair of eyes that never tires, ensuring precision in healthcare and saving lives through faster data interpretation. Education is being transformed by 3D holographic tutors that interact with students personally, providing a customized learning experience for every individual. In modern boardrooms, business leaders touch digital tables where AI models project future decision-making outcomes, turning data into clear strategies. The changing of the guard is here. The old-school search result page is dissolving into digital dust, making way for something much more intuitive. We are moving toward a fluid, conversational interface that feels like a natural dialogue between human and machine, rather than a robotic search. This transition marks the end of the keyword era. Our interactions with technology are becoming more human, more direct, and far more powerful. However, this future brings human challenges. In a sea of AI content, abstract digital noise and fragmented data blocks represent the threat of misinformation. Symbols of locks and digital shields must appear to emphasize the absolute necessity of privacy and security in this hyper-connected world. We must navigate these risks carefully as we integrate AI into the very fabric of our society and our personal digital identities. As we look forward, we see a breathtaking view of a futuristic skyline where data streams flow like vibrant rivers through the urban architecture. Is this the end of traditional search? Tomorrow starts today. Subscribe to AI Future and join the conversation about our collective digital destiny. The end of Google? What do you think? The future is in your hands. Join us as we explore what is next.